Okay, the screen is visible. Just let me know into the chat box. Fine, quickly. Okay, fine. So we'll continue with the previous example only, right? So, okay, just wait for 1 minute. Let others join the meeting. Fine. Okay. So I asked you to calculate, but maybe you are not having time for that, right? So where we have ended the session. See, this is the example that we are, I think, discussing. That was what? This. Z equal to x square into tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y, right? So we need to prove what? We need to prove this. Which one? This thing, right? Del square z upon del xy, del x del y equal to del square z upon del y del x equal to x square minus y square upon x square plus y square. Fine. So this is the thing is there. Now what happened? Just this is what we are supposed to find out this. So I think we have find out this del z by del y. Then also we have started the second differentiation, right? Second order we have started. So our final equation is this one, x minus 2y into tan inverse x by y. Now again with respect to x. So what is the answer of this? Any student? This answer for that? This 1 minus x. So that is 1 minus 2y tan inverse x by y. So what is the derivation of that with respect to x? Anyone student, or you can raise your hand quickly. Till that we'll see who is okay. 38 is absent. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Who has okay, he has joined just. Yeah, Devendra. Yeah. Devendra.
Ma'am, we will take 2y constant and
Yes.
differentiation of tan inverse x by y.
Okay, okay. I'll write
So it
down.
will be
Just wait.
2y.
Just wait. I'll write down. So it will be easy. 2y. Yeah, it's a constant. Why? Because it's a because we are doing with respect to x, fine.
To
And
x.
yeah. Tan inverse x by y now.
So
Tan
1
inverse x.
upon
Yeah, 1 upon. I'll write down 1 upon
1 plus x square by y square
1 plus x square by y square. Good. Then
times 1 by y.
sorry.
Multiplication into 1 by y.
Okay, why 1 by y? Because I think
Because we are doing with respect to x and 1 by y will be constant.
yeah, 1 by y is what? It's a coefficient of what? Suppose instead of that, if you are having 1 by 3x, so what you will write? 1 by 3, obviously, right? So same way you have to consider for what? Y also. Maybe I will be having some message in a WhatsApp. I could not see, but I think this type of problem is only there that when we need to apply that division rule or multiplication rule, right? So just remember that suppose here it's what with respect to y. So at that time you will be having what? Y square and tan inverse xy. So both are in terms of y functions, right? So at that time you have to consider that as a different function, right? Otherwise what you are supposed to do when you are having this what with respect to x, so at that time we are not going to consider the rule of multiplication, right? Why? Because one function is in terms of y and the another one this is and another one is in terms of x. So at that time only that is supposed to be considered. Okay, one of the reason is fine. So now is there any doubt in this? Anyone? 1 minus, just write down the simplification of that. So that is what? That is 1 minus, this is 2y, this y is supposed to be cancelled out, right? So we can write what? What we can write here? 2y square, right? This 2y square upon x square plus y square. Fine. So this is my what? Del square z upon del x into del y. So this is my first one. Okay. Now next is what? We have to, so this we have proved. Right? First one. Second one is what? This we are having. Okay. Del square z upon del y into del x equal to this. So how we are going to this? How we'll find out that? See, if you simplify this, you will be having your answer. Fine. If you are going to simplify this, you are having this answer. Now consider the z again and do the differentiation with respect to what? X. And then you can do with respect to y. So you will be having this answer same way. Just remember that when you are supposed to apply the multiplication rule, fine, because it is required when you have to apply the rule of multiplication, right? That is the thing. Okay. So you just do that yourself. We'll move to the another example first, and if the time will permit, we'll continue with this one, right? Because now you can do it yourself. Second part. Okay. So another example is u equal to log x square plus y square. So you need to prove what? Del square u upon del x into del y equal to del square u upon del y into del x. Similar to the previous one only, right? Because here the same property, right? So what? First you differentiate u partially with respect to what? With respect to x. Now here, so you can write what? Del u by del x equal to, what is the answer for this? Log x square plus y square. Anyone student? Anyone? Okay. Yeah, 25 number. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
25, yes. Log x
Ma'am,
square plus y
del u
square,
by
yes.
del x equal to 1 upon x square plus y square into 2x.
Okay, 1 upon x square plus y square into 2x. So here I'll write 2x. Fine. Okay, fine. And what is for del u by del y? Sorry, we'll do again it, right? First we have done for this del u by del x, then we'll go for y. So del u, I'll just erase it. Just a minute. Again we'll do with respect to what? Y. So what is supposed to be there? Differentiate del u by del x partially with respect to y. So what is supposed to be there? Del u by del y of del u by del x. Now answer for that. Anyone? Yeah, 25 number. You can unmute yourself. 25.
Ma'am, calculate.
Sorry. Yeah. Calculate. 25. Sorry. Answer for this. 2x upon this. So see, here it's a 2x. That means x is there and here also. So you will have to apply which rule? Yes, Jainil.
Answer will be minus 4xy upon x square plus y square whole
No,
square.
intermediate step I want because many students are not getting this rule. That's why I have took this example. Many are confusing in when to apply a division rule and multiplication rule, right? So I want the intermediate answer.
So here we are differentiating with respect to y. So x will be constant. So we will apply the derivative of minus 1 upon x. sorry, 1 upon x. So that will be
Okay,
minus 1 upon x
fine.
square.
Okay, so that will be what? 1
Ma-
upon x square plus y square, the whole square, and minus sign, right?
Yes.
Okay, then,
And in numerator, it will be minus 4xy.
okay, how that will come? Minus
2x
4xy.
will be 2x will be constant, and differentiation of y square is 2y.
Okay, and x is there. 2x is already there, right? So minus 4xy. Okay. So this is my first thing. The second is what? The second one is what? First I'll do with respect to y. Okay. First I'll do with respect to what? Y. So differentiate u partially with respect to y. So what should be there? Del u by del y equal to, yeah, Trupti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Del u by del y equal to
Hmm.
2y upon x square plus y square.
Okay. X square plus y square, and here it's a 2y, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what I need to find out after that?
Then
Yes.
uh, again partially difference d by dx.
Okay.
The del
du by dy with respect to what? X. Now tell me the answer for that. So we'll be having del square u upon del x into del y. Yes.
so 2y is constant.
Yes.
So write as 2y into
Hmm.
in bracket minus 1 upon
2y into
minus 1 upon
2y into minus 1 like that.
yes ma'am,
Okay.
upon
Upon.
x square plus y square
Okay.
x square plus y square whole square
Okay.
into 2x
Hmm. Into 2x. Fine, right?
into 2x.
So what is the answer for that? Minus 4xy
4xy
upon, yes,
upon
x
x square
square plus y
x
square.
square plus y square whole square.
Okay, so del u by del x into del y. So this is my, this is, right? This is answer 1. This is answer 2. So you can see that both are same, right? This will be and this. So we can say that this is my proof. Okay, any doubt into that? Any doubt? Anyone? Fine? Okay, just write down into the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. So we'll move to the another example. Yes, fine. So we'll move just a minute. The another example is, write down, the another, just a minute, I'll settle down. Z equal to x plus y raised to x, then prove that del square z upon del x into del y equal to del square z, same, right? Del y into del x. Before that it was what? In terms of log, right? Here it's x plus y raised to x. So first, this is my first one and this is second. So we'll start with, suppose, a second one, for example. So differentiate z with respect to, partially with respect to x. So what is the answer for that? Del z by del x equal to this with respect to x. So this is x, right? So with respect to that x, 1 plus y raised to x. So consider y, another variable, as a constant. So a raised to x, it's similar to that, right? So what is the differentiation of that? A raised to x. Any one student? I want, just I'll unmute someone. Yes, 42 number. 42. 42. 42 number. Unmute yourself quickly. 42, I want the answer. Otherwise, write down into the chat box if you are having any problem. 42. See, a last warning and reminder to all. You have to unmute whenever any faculty is supposed to ask you something, right? Otherwise, if you are having problem, just let know the coordinator, faculty. Otherwise, write down into the chat box. Fine. Then and then we are going to understand that you are getting the question or not, or you are attending the lecture or not, right? So 42. See, 42 is not answering, so absent for this lecture. 38 number. 38 number. 38 number. Unmute yourself and give the answer. See, you are also supposed to be absent, right? Okay, I'll ask another one. Yes, 45 number. 45. 45 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the answer for this?
Y raised to x
Hmm.
upon
Y raised
log
to a upon log 1.
log y
Upon or into?
upon
You are doing differentiation, not integration. It is into log y, right? Okay, you can mute yourself. Is there any another answer? 14 number, or is it okay? 14 number? Yashvi?
It is okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay. So next is what? Differentiation that with respect to what? Again with x. So this is first step. Second step, I'm not writing, I will directly write down the del y into del x. Now with respect to y for this. So what should be there? Yeah, Yashvi. Now I'll unmute anyone, right? And you are supposed to answer because it's all about differentiation. Yes.
Ma'am,
This.
just 2 minutes. I am counting,
Okay.
calculating.
Yeah. Okay. Up till that, Vinay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
y raised to x
Okay. Y raised to x. Fine.
into 1 upon y
Okay. Fine.
plus
Plus.
log y
Yes.
into
Into.
x
Okay.
xy
Yes.
raised to
Yes.
x minus 1
Whole raised to or y raised to?
whole raised to
How it's
xy whole raised to
how it's possible? See what you are doing. Y raised to x. That means what? Say for example, we are doing with respect to y. So suppose y raised to 4. So how you are writing? You are writing 5y4, right?
yes, yes.
So yes, so at this step also you are supposed to make a mistake, right? So that's why whatever it is there, because why you are going to make the mistake? Because any, instead of any constant, some variable you are considering here, but that variable also you have to consider as a what? Constant. So that is the main thing, right? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So what happened? This is same as this. So we can write down it what? So see, today's whatever example we have seen in this 2 lecture, right? All are of this type only, that you can make a mistake in that one, right? So this is the thing, x, y and only y raised to x minus 1. Fine. Okay, just we will simplify it. This is y raised to x. Okay, I'll write down the step, y raised to minus 1 plus. This is what, this can be considered as a x log y, right? We can write in terms of y raised to x minus 1. Sorry. So this is also y raised to x minus 1. This thing also y raised to x minus 1. So we'll take a common one, y raised to x minus 1 into 1 plus x log y. Clear? So this is my what? Del squared z upon del y into del x. Fine. Any doubt into this? Okay. So other thing. That means what? Now we are going to perform with what? First number, right? Okay. First one. So that is what? Differentiate z partially with respect to y. With respect to y. So how we are going to, this is my z and with respect to y. So it is del z upon del y. Okay, now I want someone. Again. Yeah. Okay, I want some 10 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just answer for this. See, no need to calculate because it's only two-term differentiation, right? So you can just see here on the screen and you can speak. Fine.
xy raised to x minus 1.
Okay, xy raised to x minus 1
x minus 1.
whole or y?
y.
Okay, fine. Right. So this is the same as the previous one. That is supposed to be constant. So 0, right, for x, and y raised to x. That means x, y raised to x minus 1. Again, we'll do what? This is my first step. The second step would be what? Del square z upon del x into del y. I am writing directly, right? So now with x, differentiation with x. So who is supposed to give the answer? Guys, today's session is interactive only, right? Isha, Neil. Okay, Neil. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just this is my x into y raised to x minus 1. I want what? With differentiation of this partially with respect to x.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting, na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So which rule is
We'll
supposed to
apply
be
the
applied? Yeah.
multiplication rule.
Yeah, because x first term and here y raised to also x is there, right? Okay, fine. So just let me know that. So I'll write down.
First, we'll differentiate x, so we'll get y raised to x minus 1 as first term.
Okay, x minus y raised to x minus 1 as a first term.
Then
Yes.
plus,
Plus. Okay, x that
then
is
we'll
1, right? Yeah.
yes.
Okay,
Then
I'll write
we'll
in.
differentiate.
Okay.
Then we'll differentiate y raised to x minus 1,
Okay.
so we'll
So
get
x is as it is. Yes.
yes.
Okay, and what is about y raised to x minus 1?
Y raised to x minus 1 into log y.
Okay, fine, good, right? Same as the previous one, y raised to x. So that is the thing, y raised to x minus 1 into log y. Fine. So this is what the thing I'm getting. Now, same way what you can do, y raised to x can be a common one. Y raised to x minus 1 can be common. So 1 minus x log y. Sorry, plus, right? It is plus. So this is my answer for what? Del square z upon del x into del y. So this is my answer. Right? So this is what? This is also the answer of what? Del square z upon del y into del x, and this is del square z upon del x into del y. See, and the right side of both are same. So we can say that this is my dy 2 and this is 1. So it's proved, right? Okay. Is there any doubt up to this? Anyone? I'll check the, okay, second step. Okay, fine. Okay. Right, mostly all are giving the correct answer. Okay, fine. Okay, so we'll move to the next example. So, x raised to x, y raised to y, z raised to z equal to c. And x equal to y equal to z. These two things are given. Now what you need to prove is, that is, see, this is proof, right? Meaning of that is del square z upon del x into del y equal to minus x log ex raised to minus 1. This is given, okay, and this I need to prove this, okay. So from where I can start? Here there is a log, right? In answer I want what? A log. So what I'll do then, I'll get a log, okay. So what, first I'll start with this one. See, this type of question you need to remember, right? Some trick you need to apply, and then, so what, this is my given. Now what happened? Take log both sides. Yes, because in an answer log is there. So what I'll do, I'll take a log both sides. Okay. So log of this, and this is what? Log C. Now, okay, I'll write all the steps. This is implies log x raised to x, y raised to y, z raised to z. Now logarithm property you should know. This can be written as a what? Log x raised to x plus log y raised to y plus log z raised to z. Fine. And that, okay, I'll mention here log x raised to x plus log y raised to y plus log z raised to z. And again, this thing can be written as a what? X log x, right? So I'll write down in that way, x log x plus y log y, fine, plus z log z equal to log c. Okay, any doubt? So I am having this first equation. That means what? I'll start the differentiation of this, but not I'll start with directly of this, because I want log. So I have applied log. I have converted this equation into form of logarithm, and then I'll apply this, right? So now what? Do the differentiation with respect to x, for example, right? Either you can go with y also, because we have proved that in 2-3 questions, del square z upon del x into del y is equal to del square. This is the property, del y into del x. Okay, either of you can go in that way. So this is the thing. Now we will start with what? Just a minute, I'll rub this. So we can start with what? Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to, okay, with respect to x. Okay, equation 1. So what is the answer? Both sides you need to do, right? So this is with respect to x. So you can see x log x, both are the functions. At that time what? Multiplication rule, right? Multiplication rule will be applied. So x into 1 upon x plus log x and into 1. Okay, this is, I'll underline this part for this. Okay, now y log y. What happened to that y log y? Anyone? We are doing with respect to x. Yeah, Akhilesh. Akhilesh want to say. Yeah.
Ma'am, because we are differentiating with respect to x, so
Yes.
according to that, y log y will be a constant.
Okay. So constant differentiation is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then
Ma'am, then we will write
plus.
uh,
Okay, what about this z log z?
it will be
Hmm. Yeah.
del z upon del x log z plus
That
1
means
del
yes.
z by del x.
Okay, okay. That means what? Z log Z multiplication rule will be applied. Some student maybe do mistake here also because Z. Why we are not considering Z as a that what we can say a constant, because here you can see del square Z. We are supposed to do what differentiation of the function is given in terms of Z. Why? Right? So we are not going to consider it as a constant. Fine. So that is the main thing I want to convey. So z into log z, so same like this, z into 1 upon z plus, okay, I'll not write it properly, log z into del z upon del x, fine. Okay, equal to log c again, constant, so 0. So we can write what this is, sorry, therefore it is 1 plus log x plus this is what z into 1 upon z, so it is also a 1, sorry, that is dz by dx is missing somewhere, right? Z 1 upon z, yes, here also that is what delta z by del x, so it is delta z by del x, right, plus log z delta z by del x equal to 0. Fine. So now what can be possible? Another thing. Here you can take a common 1 plus log x plus del z by del x and 1 plus log z equal to 0. Okay. Now this is what del z by del x, because our aim is to find out that only, right? Del z by del x is what? This 1 plus log x will come this side, so minus 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log z, because that is left side, right? Okay, is there any doubt? So del z by del x I have found, right? Now the another thing is what we want it, what del square z upon this, so again differentiate del z by del x with respect to y. Okay, any problem in this, anyone? So the answer is what del square z upon del x into del y equal to, now this is my thing, 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log z. So 1 plus log x is a constant one, so I'll take it out, 1 plus log x, fine. Now this is 1 upon log z, so same as 1 upon x. So what is the equation for that? Differentiation minus 1 upon 1 plus log z square. I am writing directly, right? Okay. So, and again 1 plus log z is there. So for that also I am writing here only. For 1 it is 0, so no need to write. For log z it is 1 by z, right? 1 by z into del z by del y, because we are doing with respect to what? Y. Okay, fine. Okay, now another thing is what? Just a required simplification of that. So equal to 1 plus log x, minus minus will become plus, right? Upon this 2 is there, so 2, okay, 1 plus log z, the whole square. Now this, we want what? Del z by del y. Here we require del z by del y. So it's not necessary to count it again del z by del y, because this whole procedure you need to follow this. So what happened? According to this del z by y, we can write what? This 1 plus log x, right? 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log z. So instead of x, I'll write what? 1 plus log y. So I'll write directly minus 1 plus log z, okay? 1 plus log z upon, sorry, not z, it's y. I'll just update y. If any doubt, just raise your hand, okay? Otherwise, write into the chat box. We are replacing the value for what? Del z by del y, 1 upon log z as it is. Okay? This is the value for what? Del z by del y. Okay? Yes. Is there any problem? Anyone up to this? Okay, fine. So next is what? We'll write here only. This is considered as a what? A minus sign is there. So we'll write minus out. 1 plus log x into 1 plus log y upon 2 into, right? 2 into 2 is there, or okay, this is, just let me check, this is 1 by z, it is not 2, right? It's 1 by z, sorry, it's a z, fine. So what? Again z, and 1 plus log z cube, like that. This is my what? Del square z upon del x into del y. Okay, now what can we do now? We'll be having this term. We want to prove this x log ex raised to minus 1. So see, we have not used this till x equal to y equal to z. X equal to y equal to z. So what we are going to do? See, here all the terms are in x. In answer, all the terms are in what? X. So what I'll do? I'll write down x here. Instead of y, x. Instead of z, x. So what I'll do? X equal to y equal to z, it is given, right? So what I'll do? Del square z upon del x into del y, right? Equal to what? Minus, sorry, minus 1 plus log x. We'll quickly finish it. The meeting may be end in few seconds, right? So we can say what? 1 plus x, 1 plus, instead of z also, that is q, right? So from that we can what? This supposed to be cancelled out. So 1 upon x into 1 plus log x. Fine. Sum is cancelled out. Now what happened? Minus x into 1 plus log x raised to minus 1. This can be written as a, right? So what we can write here? Minus 1. So this 1 can be written as a what? This 1 can be written that you can do now log e. So log e. So what we can do here, right? Yes. Okay, we'll wait for a few seconds to tell it's fine. Okay, so what is the thing here? Log e. 1 can be written as a what? Log e, and this is log x. So what we can write is for that? Apply the rule for what? Addition, right? So log x here. So log e into log x. Okay, I'll write down here only, minus x into log e base e plus log x, the whole raised to minus 1. Fine. So what we can write here, this log can be written as a log ex. So minus x into log ex raised to minus 1. Log ex raised to minus 1. So what we want to prove? This is right, x log ex raised to minus 1. This you need to prove. This. So right side is this. We are obviously counting what? Del square z upon del x into del y. Fine. So this is our answer. This is what? Del square z upon del x into del y. Fine. So in this way you can do. So what we have seen today, when you want to apply a multiplication rule, then division rule, right? Because in a partial differentiation, sometimes you are considering some as a constant, sometimes you are applying division rule and all, right? So multiplication, division, and to check the right side, and in this example we have applied both side what? Log. So according to your result, you just need to adjust your equation, your function. Yes, and we have seen one of that of the term what? That is phi, right? Of something. So at that time what we are doing, if you write differentiation, then we are doing what? Phi dash of that, and also we apply chain rule. So this are for the today's lecture, right? So this you need to concentrate. Whatever the things are given, according to that you have to write your function. Right? Okay. Thank you. Now you can leave.